Hi, my name is Ryan Pearson, and together, me, Connor Ball, Ethan Pippin, and Nathan Wales created PUGs for pickup games. So this video will give you an overview about what PUGs is, why it exists. Then we'll demo it, show you what we've created over the course of the last year, and then we're going to have some technologies that we use to accomplish our goal. So first of all, what is pickup games? Well, we kind of have this issue where maybe you're moving to a new town, going to college for the first time, you got a new job, maybe you just want some new hobbies. It's hard to find people to do that with. Like, you might go to a coffee shop, find a community bulletin board, pull down, have something off from 2016, not even know when it's taking place, where it's taking place. Like, the whole thing's a nightmare. So we wanted to create a simple, easy way to, one, join events that other people have created, and two, create events in less effort than, printing a flyer and posting it on different coffee shop bulletin boards. So that's what we did. We also wanted PUGs to be very, very easy to use because, you don't need to spend more than 30 seconds looking at it to find a good hobby you want to join. Like, you want to get into spike ball, you want to find a good thing. We want it to be super simple, super easy. You just get on, find what you want to do, get off, go do your thing. So we took a lot of inspiration from the company Uber's UI on this situation because it's the same thing. You just want to get a ride. You don't want to spend hours and hours going through 14 pages, seeing exactly how to schedule a ride for today. So I'm going to hand it over to Ethan, who's going to demo this product now.
Hi, I'm Ethan Pippin, and this is the PUGs product. When you first open up PUGs, you'll be greeted with this large, interactive, and easy-to-use map view. The main use case of PUGs is for users to see what events are going on around them right now or in the future. By having this large map view, users are able to see spatially instead of staring at a wall of text for these events. Here I am currently on the map, and around me I can see that there are some events, and these events are also reflected on the right-hand side with some more information. But if I wanted to get even more information, I can click on either its card or its pin, and from here I'm able to get the time, location, description, and attendance of the event. If I wanted to join this event as well, I can simply click the join button and I will get a notification saying that I've joined the event successfully, and my attendance will also reflect on this event card. By having this attendance metric, people might want to join the event as well if many people are attending it. Additionally, I can search by name and I get free soccer, or I can search by distance if I wanted to narrow it down by what's within walking distance, driving distance, and so on. Or I can even filter by tags. Additionally, there's the idea of subscriptions. And subscriptions allow people to select tags that reflect their interests and they will be notified when an event with one of these tags gets created. If I'm now interested in Spikeball, whenever an event with the tag Spikeball is created, I will get an email, and from that email, I am able to come back to PUGs and see what events were created and possibly join them. The other use case of PUGs is for users to create events that they can host themselves. I can create events by clicking on the large plus button in the left-hand corner, or by simply double-clicking on a location in the map view. From here, I'm able to fill in details for any event that I would like. So I've gone ahead and created this Monday baseball event from 6 to 7 p.m. with at least 8 people for at least 4 people on 2 teams, with about 16 people total, but this isn't a hard requirement. I've also gone ahead and added the competitive tag in case things get a little bit rough, and I've also added a short little description. I can finally create the event by hitting create, and the event is finally reflected on the map and also on the right-hand side with the same information that I just filled out.
For PUGs, we made an effort to use a powerful industry-relevant tech stack. We developed our front end in TypeScript using the Angular framework. We used Mapbox as the primary driver for our map-based functionality on the front end as well. On the back end, we developed a REST API in the Django framework using Python, which was linked up with a Postgres SQL database. We also took advantage of several other external services to make our app even better. Some of these services include Ticketmaster and Google Maps, which we use to gather event information and location and generate events for PUGs. Another service we used is SendGrid, which we use to allow us to email subscription notifications to our users. Here, we have a diagram of our system architecture. We took advantage of AWS's EC2 instances to deploy our app to the greater internet. Both the front end and back end are deployed using AWS. The front end communicates with the back end via HTTP. Our Django REST API then handles the requests and communicates with our database as needed. We also feed our generated events into the back end when the scripts are run. During development and deployment, we made use of several Docker containers to run our application, making the developer experience much smoother and allowing us to make our application as modular as possible. This also allowed us to deploy the application smoothly because we had already been developing with connected containers. Through the development process, we worked as a team to use good software engineering practices. This included using modern web app software practices, such as creating a RESTful API, using services, etc. We had weekly stand-up meetings as a team. We utilized version control to manage code changes. We took advantage of issue boards to note and prioritize development features and bugs. Overall, we made an effort to use agile development practices.
In conclusion, Pickup Games, or PUGs, helps people know what's going on around them. With an example like a transitory period of life like moving in, people can see what's going on around them, see the attendance, have something to do, and possibly make more friends and feel a lot more comfortable about where they are. It is overall easy to use, both by seeing events going on around you and also creating events so that you can host yourself. We also think that it is very technically impressive with industry standards, where we pull our experiences from work and personal projects into this project. And overall, thank you.